Hi, I'm Vanessa Kaufman, and welcome to 139 West 87th Street.
This 4,400 square foot home boasts 5 floors of original details mixed with modern elements.
When you enter, the home is warm and welcoming. Off of the foyer on the first floor is a timeless study. The living room has a working fireplace and large balcony with access to the garden. One floor below on the garden level, you will find a renovated chef's kitchen with large center island, Viking appliances, and a breakfast area open to the lush outdoor space. The singing birds really make you forget you are in a busy city. The home has 4 bedrooms and a bathroom on each floor, with an entire level dedicated to the master suite. The 5th floor, a truly unique space, is currently an art studio. With over 11-foot ceilings and 6 skylights, this sunny, spacious loft can be used for endless purposes. This historical townhouse showcases masterful craftsmanship that is rare to find. Many of the home's original details have been restored, including the wood floors, moldings, pocket doors, and ironwork. It is truly an inviting home on a charming block, just steps from Central Park and many restaurants on the Upper West Side. This is a special home which has antique elements yet complements a modern lifestyle. Thank you for joining us. Until next time.